Nothing Phone 3 is generating significant buzz across social media. As leaks circulate on various platforms, the details about the upcoming phone are becoming clearer, with a mid-2025 launch seeming increasingly likely. Based on Nothing's previous release patterns, a July unveiling appears to be the most probable scenario. A major focus for the Nothing Phone 3 is artificial intelligence, with Carl Pei previously hinting at a delay to prioritize AI-driven innovations. This suggests that the new device will not simply be an incremental upgrade, but rather a significant step forward in performance and user experience. Leaks indicate that the phone may feature high-end hardware, including the powerful Snapdragon 8S Elite chipset. Beyond performance, leaks suggest several exciting refinements to Nothing's signature glyph interface, possibly incorporating new lighting functionalities. Design sketches hint at a potential triple camera setup, with speculation that a telephoto lens could be introduced for the first time in the series. Additionally, there are reports that Sony's LYTIA sensors might be integrated to enhance the phone's photographic capabilities. If these rumors hold true, the Phone 3 could offer substantial improvements in both design and functionality. In addition to the Nothing Phone 3, a mini variant has also sparked curiosity, with a fresh concept design shared by tech insider David Joe on the Nothing community tab. The Nothing Phone Mini concept takes a bold step forward with a transparent back and unique U-shaped glyph lighting around a single rear camera and flashlight. The concept also hints at potential color options that could enhance its distinct identity, aligning with JoJo's Nothing Phone 3 concept while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. While Nothing has not officially announced plans for a mini model, Carl Pei's history of responding to user demand suggests that it could be a possibility in the future. Until then, excitement is building for the Nothing Phone 3. Speculation surrounding the launch date gained traction when tipster Abhishek Yadav suggested that the Nothing Phone 3 would debut in July 2025. This projection aligns with the brand's previous timelines, considering that the phone one launched on July 12, 2022, followed by the Phone 2 on July 11th, 2023. Several sources support this theory, noting that Nothing avoids the crowded fall season dominated by Apple and Samsung. Earlier teasers in January led to confusion, with some expecting an earlier launch. Instead, Nothing unveiled the mid-range phone 3A and 3A Pro on March 4th, keeping the flagship on track for a mid-year release. With the launch approaching, speculation has also turned to pricing. While some expect the Nothing Phone 3 to push closer to $700, others believe the brand will maintain its balance of affordability and premium features, likely pricing it between $650 and $700.